afternoon, happy Sunday. This is Karen on the Lake Stamper here in Michigan, and it's a sunny day today. I'm shocked it's not snowing. It said it was going to snow, so happy it didn't. As you know, yesterday I had a nice little haul, and one of the hauls that I received was the You're Inspiring with the Daffodils, and I thought, what the heck, let's try that out. I did them on the A2 gold card that we all have. If you have some left over, I actually did, so I thought, what the heck, let's use that. I also used the butterfly designer paper, and I used the 2017-2019 designer paper. It had some really great little polka dots in the green, so what the heck. Thought I'd try that out too. Okay, and Whisper White, of course, and I have the Granny Apple. I have my Daffodil Delight, so that's perfect for this little card today. And I have the Mango Medley, which sounds like a nice little drink, doesn't it? And don't forget using the framelets, the stitch framelit set. I used the first three, starting with the largest one at 4 times 5 1/4. And I used a 3-setter, and then I used a 2-setter. So for this one I used all 3, so I could have a nice little layer, and then I bumped this up, I popped it up a little bit, which I thought was kind of sweet. And with the ombre, I also used the ombre, tied a little bow. This is probably the most aggravating of everything to do, but I just snailed a little snail right through here, so it would stay on, and then you don't see the ribbon, and then tied a nice little bow finally. So I thought I'd not show that, so have fun doing that. That's a little bit of a challenge. And then this is a 2-layer, so I didn't need the larger one. I just did a 2-layer. I had leftover of the butterfly designer paper. Now I was thinking of embellishing this because it's not popped up. So I thought I'd maybe do that with this one. Obviously the stamp, you gotta have the stamp, yes. And I used Memento, of course, everybody's given. A little bit about the daffodils. I'm Welsh and Scottish background, and that daffodil is the flower for Wales. And my mom has Alzheimer's, and I wanted to make this for her for Mother's Day. I have another card as well. I'll probably show that one later. But I wanted to send this out to her, so maybe she'll put this in her, they'll have it on her table. So it's a hard disease to go through, you know. If you've got a family member that has Alzheimer's, it's pretty tough. So anyway, I thought, well, I'll make a couple. I'll make this one maybe with friendship on it, and then I'm going to do the stamp set, but some of my stamping isn't as good as some of you guys, so I'm not going to videotape that until I'm a little bit better. I'm going to use though the Because of You, I Am Me, so that would be for the Mother's Day. I'm going to pop that inside the card. I did try a couple things on the outside, didn't have as much luck as some of you ladies that do it no problem, but I did like the coloring that I did for the daffodils today. I thought it came out really, really pretty. So if you have any questions or any comments, just please comment below. I'll make sure to answer, and hit like, and also my website will be below. And don't forget, I still have a beautiful butterfly set. If you spend $85 on my website, it's a beautiful $39 butterfly thinlet set. And just in case you forgot what it looks like, here we go. Look what I did on this. I did the pretty butterfly with that one. Isn't that pretty? And of course, I did it on here on this card here. So I had so many of these. I think I'll cut these off and use them for another card. So if you decide to go shopping, that thinlet set is yours. So have a great day and have a nice Sunday. Talk soon.